In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up ClickUp for a social media agency. By the end, you'll have a clean workspace that keeps clients, campaigns, and day-to-day tasks organized, so your team can focus on creative work instead of chasing details. Start by opening ClickUp in your browser or the desktop app and log in. The interface is the same where it counts, so choose whichever feels most comfortable. Once you're in, create a dedicated space. Click Spaces, select Add Space, and name it Social Media Agency. This space is your agency's home base, where all client work and internal coordination will live. Keeping everything inside one space helps you standardize processes and reporting. Inside that space, set up 2 folders to separate work logically. Create a Client Accounts folder for anything tied directly to client deliverables and performance. Then add an internal team folder for planning, templates, and behind-the-scenes operations. This separation keeps your client-facing work clean while still giving your team a place to prepare and iterate. Within each folder, create 3 lists to structure your workflow: active campaigns for work currently in motion, drafts for campaigns being prepared, and completed for finished campaigns. These lists act like phases, making it obvious where each piece of work lives. It's a simple structure that scales as you add more clients. Quick note, if you don't already have ClickUp, there's a link at the top of the description where you can download the app or open the website directly. Use that to get set up fast. Next, start adding tasks for each client project or deliverable. Create clear, single-purpose tasks such as schedule Instagram posts, create Facebook ad copy, design TikTok videos, or draft LinkedIn articles. Use descriptive titles so anyone can scan and understand the work instantly. Add brief context in the description and attach any assets or references your team needs. To make tracking effortless, add essential fields to your tasks. Priority to signal urgency, assignee, so ownership is crystal clear, due date to keep timelines on track, and status for real-time progress. Keep statuses simple with to do, in progress, and completed. The fewer the options, the easier it is to maintain consistency and avoid confusion. Finally, monitor progress using list view for detailed, spreadsheet-style oversight or board view to visualize tasks like cards moving across stages. Switch views as needed to review workload, spot bottlenecks, and keep campaigns flowing smoothly. That's it. You now have a focused, repeatable ClickUp setup for your social media agency. If you found this helpful, check the link at the top of the description, and thanks for watching.